If we've learned anything over the last few years, it's that unexpected things can happen. For example, average IRA and 401k balances fell 20% last year, according to Fidelity. We didn't expect that. But here's something that could help if you have an IRA or 401k. Physical gold in your IRA. The World Gold Council says even central banks are buying tons of gold. What does that tell you? Learn why many Americans are turning to a Gold IRA with Augusta Precious Metals. Mark Levin and Joe Montana endorse Augusta and recommend them to their friends and family. If you have an IRA or 401k, get Augusta Precious Metals' Ultimate Guide to Gold IRAs. The guide offers surprising behind-the-scenes information about our economy and Gold IRAs. Don't miss this opportunity to be included. Hall of Fame quarterback Joe Montana became a customer and our corporate ambassador after he got this same information. Please learn from his example and order your guide today.